Today we will discuss experiment number 13, identification test for calcium gluconate. To perform the identification test for calcium gluconate, there is a chemicals 5 molar acetic acid, glycol acetic acid, potassium ferrocyanide solution, ammonium chloride, ammonium oxalate, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium carbonate solution, ferric chloride solution. These all chemicals used for this experiment identification test for calcium gluconate. Then theory. Calcium gluconate is a crystalline white powder or granules and occurs as a calcium D-gluconate monohydrate. It having not less than 99% and not more than 103% of calcium gluconate with water. It is a tasteless, it is stable in air but loses its water from of crystallization with the decomposition at 100 degrees Celsius. Its 1 gram is its 1 gram is soluble in 30 ml of water and 5 ml boiling water and insoluble in alcohol, chloroform and ether. Okay, calcium gluconate is soluble in water and boiling water, 30 ml water and 5 ml boiling water, and it is insoluble in alcohol, chloroform and ether. It has been incompatible with the oxidizing agents, and the solution of calcium gluconate gets precipitated by oxalate borate, and on adding hydrochloric acid or other acids to the solution, gluconic acid is said to be formed, which gets converted easily to the gluconolactone. It is a stable salt in air, but it gets decomposed by dilute Miller acid into gluconic acid and calcium salt of the corresponding acid. It is an important calcium salt which can be given intravenously. It is used particularly as a source for calcium in hypocalcemia and calcium disorders or in calcium deficiency. When it is compared to calcium chloride, it is found to be less irritating and can be administered rarely or parentally. Calcium gluconate is considered best of the calcium salt and can be given intravenously. The identification reaction of calcium gluconate are summarized below. The reaction of the calcium gluconate is summarized below. There is a chemical reactions of this chemical salt. These all are the chemical reactions of the chemical salt. Then there is identification test for calcium. There is 5 tests for identification of the calciums. Then next is a first test is a dissolve 20 mg of the substance under examination in 5 ml of a 5 molar acetic acid, or add 1 ml of a glycol acetic acid to 5 ml of the prescribed solution. Then add 0.5 ml of the potassium ferrocyanide solution, and the solution remains clear. Add about the 50 mg of the ammonium chloride. Then there is a white crystalline precipitate is a form, and calcium may be calcium may be present. And next test is a 5 ml of the 0.4% solution of the substance under examination. Add 0.2 ml of a 2% solution of ammonium oxalate. There is a white precipitate is obtained, and that is only sparingly soluble in dilute acetic acid but insoluble in soluble in hydrochloric acid. There is a calcium is confirmed. And then third test is a dissolve 20 mg of the substance under examination in the minimum quantity of the dilute hydrochloric acid and neutralize with the dilute solution hydroxide solution, or use 5 ml of the prescribed solution. Then white precipitate is a form. There is a calcium is a confirmed. Then add 5 ml of ammonium carbonate solution to the test solution number 3. There is a white precipitation is formed after boiling and cooling. The mixture is only sparingly soluble in ammonium chloride solution. There is a calcium is confirmed. Then to the aqueous solution add ferric chloride solution. Yellow color or PPT is formed. Precipitate is formed, and calcium gluconate is confirmed. This all identification test for calcium is performed. And after performing this test, this test is a observation and inference is included in the result.